Alright, I'm gonna go hit the gym right now. It is Thursday, the 10th, I believe. I don't even remember. But I'm gonna go hit the gym. I've been dealing with a troll on Facebook all morning. But it's funny. Yeah, I mean, if you're 25 and up and only have a muffler delete and trying to be like, oh yeah, my car sounds so sick, dude, just stop it. Your build's garbage. Not even considered a build. But yeah, dude thinks his car sounds sick. Muffler deleted. Said I got some Honda style wheels. I mean, Hondas do rock the wheels, but they're Enkei RPF ones. Pretty decent tire. Better than his stocks, but whatever, man. Who am I to judge? Everyone has their personal opinion. I probably shouldn't have commented. I basically started it. I commented, stay away from muffler deletes. Those are for like high school kids or something like that. Something along those lines. And he did not take too kindly to that comment. But it is what it is. Time to go hit the gym. Me and Daniel there. But yeah, let's get it. Sad face. Just got out of class, about to go head over to Daniel's. I'm making this into a two-part video, or actually heading over to Jose and Noe's, actually turning this into a part 2 video, kind of gonna combined it with yesterday's workout, because I don't know if I'm gonna get to the gym today, but yeah, gonna go stop by the liquor store, get some buzz balls or whatever, and get Daniel's ass and Jose. When you're driving the wrong way, fuck you, little car.
What are you doing, fag?
Come on, chug it. Yeah.
Do overstate. No, you can't do that. That's
Come on.
where it gets you. Don't do that. And it should taste like, take it.
I heard they taste good.
Alright, Danny, we gotta figure out how we can get that 2 lines over here, bro. Alright.
Nuevecito apantalló a la plebada, pero menos a...
He's like, lay on the ground.
God.
And then he has them all pull out their cell phones.
We've got everything we need, and the weather's nice. Spin it up in strip mall paradise.
So to conclude the video, don't mind my tan line. We got all the, or Jose and Daniel got all the wiring done. I was kind of just supervising and watching, but they got all the wiring done for the suspension, the airlift, or yeah, I think it's airlift, the 3P. But they got all that done, and they're on the next step to getting that car bagged. So it's going to look pretty sick.